DoorDash driver gets a 1-star and no tip for following DoorDash's policies. When the customer requested they break DoorDash's policies. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. Yes, that is right. A DoorDash customer requested a driver break DoorDash's policies when it comes to wearing a mask, and they got a 1-star and no tip from it because they were wearing a mask on this person's property. Yes, that's right. All right, so we came across this post on Reddit, which is absolutely crazy to see. And this is a screenshot that you can see right now on screen. And this is the customer request that was in the app for the driver. Took a screenshot, and here you go. So it says, "Leave at my door. No masks allowed on property. Please remove mask before setting foot on property. There are cameras, and you will receive no tip if you wear a mask." I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it because I know I'm going to have to say it again very soon. And I want to say now I've seen it all. But the problem with that statement is even when you think you've seen it all, somebody does something crazy like this and poof, now you got to say it again. So I'm not really saying it. I'm not going to say it, okay? All right, I know masks are a pain. Trust me. And I'm happy that the CDC finally changed their stance on it and many states are following suit. And it's nice to walk into stores and it's nice to walk into restaurants without having to put it on. But unfortunately, some places still require it. Now, though, the crazy thing is the fact that somebody said you can't wear it on my property. That is bewildering. It really shouldn't matter if somebody wants to wear it or not. Some people still don't feel safe not wearing it. Some people still have to wear it because of the regulations. And when it comes to these companies, they still have the policies in place. They haven't changed. So it's still bewildering to see that somebody says, don't wear a mask on my property. What does it matter? Really? If somebody wants to wear it for whatever reason, because they feel safer, because policy or whatever it is, why? Why does it matter to you? Don't wear it if you don't want to. You don't have to. As long as you're okay, good, cool. That's awesome. To not tip somebody, to give them a 1-star, a bad rating, when they're actually following policy, doesn't it make any sense? Now, my advice for anyone who sees some request like this coming from rideshare, coming from food delivery, whatever it might be, wherever there is a really crazy request like this that can violate certain policy or that is just something that you're not comfortable with, and you know that these people are going to rate you bad, not tip you, whatever it is, and could cause even more problems by trying to report you and do something like that, just cancel. And then that way you don't even have to worry about it. Let somebody else cancel on them too and continue the chain. And hopefully they get the message. But I probably think they're not going to. But I want to know what your thoughts are on that. What do you think? Comment below and let us know. Now, if you think this customer request was absolutely ridiculous, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time new videos come out, including some of the craziness that happens within the world of the gig economy, some craziness when it comes to customers and passengers, and also different ways on how you can maximize your earnings as a rideshare driver, a delivery driver, or a person in the gig economy, and many of the updates that are happening within the gig economy itself. All right, everyone, drive safe.